Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add coupons to AliExpress. So open AliExpress on your device and then find whatever product that you want to order. And then you want to proceed to order confirmation page. So press buy now button and here scroll down. And here you can see this section, promo codes and coupons. This is the exact same thing, but name is different. So tap here, and here you can enter and apply your promo code. And then when you enter it, do not forget to press apply button to apply basically your coupon. So that's how I can add coupon to AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.